Good morning, everyone. This is Viranjana Desavena. So currently, I'm pursuing my master's in St. Francis College. So, as part of my grad coursework for MGT 6990, so today I've done some of the research analysis on the one of the e-commercial website that is Chewy.com. So this Chewy website is an e-commercial website that basically have all the information related to the pets. So this gives how this website has been built and how the modern technological stack and how the secure payment system was introduced, like mobile e-commerce, customer relationship management, and the cloud infrastructure and the business intelligence. So there are certain elements that I will go deep dive to give uh, uh, a detailed analysis and I'll also try to make sure how this show has built its front end and back end and how it managed to integrate both of them uh, in the coming videos. So here, first I'll talk with the web technologies that what are the web technologies and the technological stack that Chewy has been using. So if you come to the front end, basically they are using the HTML and CSS for the uh, design layouts to get the very good design layouts, and later they have used the JavaScript and the React JS for the responsive web pages. So and interactive front end. So this setup will enable the fast rendering for the product components and personalized suggestions for enhancing the user engagement through the smooth navigations. Then I will have the backend. So for the backend, they not only use the Java programming language, but as well as they also use the Python. So in Java, they mainly use the Spring Boot and Spring ORM as well as the microservices. So they segregated each and every part, like a home page will have a separate customer related information. So there is one separate microservice and then feedback. It is in service page and it is in separate microservice. So they segregated everything into an small integral part of the microservices and then they started building them using the Java. And they also use the Python for the Py scripts and like the Python scripts in order to generate the Python scripts and to maintain the continuous integration and for the continuous development. So here, Chewy employs dynamically search functionality and personalized homepage. So they developed a personalized homepage to enhance the shopping experience. And this approach allows the customers to quickly find relevant products while receiving the tailored recommendations. So based on this browsing history and their purchase history, so this will automatically result in engaging and efficient user interface that improves the satisfaction and the conversation rates. So next, how they're handling the payments, CRM, and the cloud technologies. So if I come to the payments, so they have been using the multiple secured layers in order to process all these payments. So first, I'll try to make sure what are the different types of payment methods that they have been using. So in general, so as of now, they have been using the credit card, debit card, PayPal, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. These are the different types of payment methods that they have been using. So when it comes to the secure transaction and the security features, so they have been using the PCA and the DSS compliance. This is one of the main security policy, as well as the SSL encryption, tokenization, and they are also using the multi-factor authentication. So whenever before doing the payment or while doing the transaction, so all these are the different types of security layers that they have been following, and they are also using the fraud detection algorithm, so which will automatically detect if there is any fraud that they have been using while transferring the any payment or while making any transaction. Then what are the CRM strategies and the customer engagements that they have done is so Chewy CRM is centered on like it is mainly focused on the customer loyalty and the personalization. So it implemented certain features like the pet profiles and tailored product suggestions and authorship program enhance engagement. So they also provided the 24/7 customer service and personalized emails with refill reminders, creating the strong relationship and drive repeat purchases. As I told earlier, so If I develop in software, if I need to maintain the software, like I need a server stack, I need a data center, so in order to maintain all of this, in order to up and run the server 24 by 7 and 365 days. So there will be a lot of headache that needs to be taken care while maintaining all these uh, hardware equipment. So, in order to free of all these restrictions and just in order to use only the software that they are going to develop, what the Chewy website have done is they have uh, launched their website in the cloud, especially in the AWS Web Services cloud services. So they are using the AWS cloud services, and so because of that, they don't need to maintain any hardware or the any data center or the server stack. So everything will be used completely maintained by the Amazon, and they are just using these cloud services like Amazon load balancing and EC2 engine and the cloud front to ensure the scalable and the high performance operations. So because of this infrastructure support, there will be no almost 99.99% of time there will be no downtime. So they can easily and happily they can use the this software 365 days. Moreover, this by hosting this application in the cloud, they can also there is one more main advantage is they don't feel that like they don't need to manage the heavy traffic or they don't need to maintain the load balancer. So everything will be taken care by the Amazon service. So if there is any particular point of time, if there is more load balancing that has been happening or the server load is happening, the Amazon itself will take care of this load balancing, and they will segregate this load balance into into the multiple search engines, so like to the multiple EC2 engines, such that the load will be balanced between the different load balancers. Then they will also uh, manage this peak traffic using this load balancer and the Amazon EC2 engines. And so all these features made Chewy.com helps the Chewy.com to host their application in the cloud service, and with ease they can integrate and maintain the software. Finally, I would like to conclude by saying that Chewy.com depicts a robust and the modernized e-commerce platform that uses the latest trending technologies like JavaScript, Node.js, Java, and Python while maintaining the secure payments using the multi-factor authentication, SSL encryption, and the tokenization. And they are also following the sophisticated CRM strategies in order to improve their business growth. They also have a specific program named AutoShip program, which will automatically predicts the customers' recommendations as well as the customer behavior while they are surfacing through this website, and it will automatically uh, analyze and predict and recommend certain features to the customers related to their pet dogs. So together, all these elements create a seamless and personalized and reliable shopping experience that positions the Chewy website as a leader in its industry.